Welcome to DESI ASTRO. In this Python tutorial on Astropy, our objective is to learn that what are the PITS cards used in the PITS file of astronomical objects. Alright, so cards are a way to use your metadata in a PITS file header. So they are used to describe your data, so it may be in the other format. You need calibration, and you can also store the other observational details of the instrument, setting, processing history, and other relevant stuff for those who will be using your PITS file. Okay, so before proceeding further, we'll be understanding the structure of the PITS cards in a header. Okay, so we'll be understanding the structure of a PITS card. So basically PITS cards can be structured in three layers. So first one is keyword. So you can give a keyword value, and your keyword should not go beyond the 8 character. Okay, and you can give a value to your keyword. So value. So the value may be your number, your float, your integer, or it can be any string. Okay, and third one, you can give a comment to the value. So you can give a optional string that describe your keyword value. Okay, so suppose your flux is your keyword, then you have given the value in, say, it has a unit, say millijansky, and then you can convert Jansky into other units. So this is how it is structured. So once I will open a PITS file, then this three layers will be more understandable to you. So let's do it. So now we'll be understanding the structure of a PITS card using a real PITS file. Okay, so first of all, I will open this PITS file. So let me import library. So import Astropy. Okay, so for that you can import in this fashion from astropy.io import PITS. Okay, so this will be used to deal with the PITS file, right? And then you can read your file here, PITS.open function, and you can give your file name. So in my case, I have file name rcut.pits. Okay, so this will use to open your PITS file, right? After that, you can extract file information. Okay, so file information. So for that, type here file.info and function, right? So here you can see that your file name is r_pits. You have primary SDU, you have cards. Okay, so this is our goal. Okay, understand the cards, like what it contains. You can see it has a length of 109 and has dimensions and format of the data. So now go to the primary SDU. Okay, so go to primary SDU. Okay, so for that, type here SDR. Okay, so SDR variable equal to file 0 for your this primary SDU and dot header. Okay, and then print the header information. So what is the mistake? There should be SDR, right? So this will extract header information, right? So here you can see that you have so many keywords. Okay, so now first check the length of this keyword. Okay, so check length of SDR. Right, you can see it has a 190 size or length, and you have cards 109. So now print it. So here you can see that it has some structured. You have like keyword, right? So keyword goes to this first layer, right? It has 8 character, a string. So all the strings value. Okay, and you can see you cannot go maximum. I mean, you can go maximum up to 8 character. Okay, you cannot go beyond that in the FITS, right? So now second comes the value. Okay, so if we go here, there is a value. Say I want to go to n axis. Okay, this is like your first axis. So it has 1100. So there is no comment on that. So this is the value. Okay, now comment. So it's an optional string that describes the keyword. Okay, keyword value. So suppose I go here and go to the flux unit. Okay, so here you can see that. Okay, here you can see that you have a view unit. So which is the flux unit of the image. So it has a unit of nanomag. Okay, and so this is my keyword. This is my value. Okay, and this is the comment on that. Okay, so this is the unit of this flux, right? So here you can see more stuff are there. Here you have array. Array is a keyword. Here you have value of this keyword, and you have some comment. Okay, so this is how a FITS card is structured and how to decode it. So I hope you got the idea about what are the FITS card. So they are like used to store your metadata in the FITS file, like your instrument specifications, your observations runs and calibrations, your data units and your processing history. So this is a simple tutorial about the decoding the FITS cards in a FITS file. So I hope this is clear. So let's go here. So basically we focus on these keywords, like first part is the keyword and value and the comment. Okay, so you can see here I have 3 values, keywords, right? You have a value and the comment. So this is the cards present in a FITS file. So I hope this tutorial has helped you to get some insight about the FITS card. And in my next tutorial, I will be going to teach you that how to edit or update or delete these cards or the header information. So stay tuned. Thank you.